Good day everyone, myself Rishabh Malviya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacy, School of Medical and Allied Sciences, Galgotias University. Today we will discuss about various types of suppository bases as well as preparation method of suppositories. Generally, various types of bases are used for the preparation of suppositories. For example, Iley bases or oleogenous bases, water soluble and water miscible bases. They are also known as hydrophilic bases, and last, emulsifying bases are synthetic bases. It means there are three types of suppository bases: oleogenous bases, water soluble and water miscible bases, and emulsifying bases. Water soluble and water miscible bases are also known as hydrophilic bases. Suppositories are generally prepared by using hand rolling method, fusion method, and cold compression method. Now we will discuss about hand rolling method. It is the oldest and simplest method of suppository preparation and may be used when only a few suppositories are to be prepared using cocoa butter base. It means hand rolling method are used when only a few suppositories are required to be prepared. It has the advantages of avoiding the necessity of heating the cocoa butter. A plastic-like mass is prepared by triturating grated cocoa butter and active pharmaceutical ingredient in a mortar. It means in hand rolling method, generally cocoa butter is used as a base and it is required only to prepare a few number of suppositories, not at the large scale. And trituration method is generally used for the preparation of hand rolling method. Further, in hand rolling method, the mass is formed into a ball in the palm of the hand, then rolled into a uniform cylinder with a large spatula or small flat board on a pill tile. The cylinder is then cut into the appropriate number of pieces which are rolled on one end to produce a conical shape. Effective hand rolling requires considerable practice and technical skills. Fusion method is another method used to prepare suppository. It requires melting of suppository base, dispersion or dissolving the drug into the melted suppository base. The mixture is removed from the heat and poured into a suppository mold. Then the mixture was allowed to melt on congeal and remove the formed suppository from the mold. This is the basic procedure to prepare suppository using fusion method. Furthermore, in fusion method, the fusion method can be used with all types of suppositories and must be used with most of them. Small scale molds are capable of producing 6 or 12 suppositories in a single operation. Industrial molds produces hundreds of suppositories from a single mold. Cold compression method is another method used to produce suppositories. Compression molding is a method of preparing suppositories from a mixed mass of grated suppository base and medicament which is forced into a special compression mold using suppository making machines. The suppository base and the other ingredients are combined by mixing. The friction of process causing the base to soften into a paste-like consistency. This is the basic phenomena of the preparation method of suppository using cold compression method. Further, in compression method, on a small scale, a mortar and a pestle may be used. That is, preheated mortar facilitates softening of the base. On large scale, mechanically operated kneading mixture and a warm mixing vessel may be applied. It will help to soften the base used in the preparation of suppository. In the compression machine, the suppository mass is placed into a cylinder which is closed. Pressure is applied from one end to release the mass from the other end into the suppository mold or die. When the die is filled with the mass, a movable end plate at the back of the die is removed, and when additional pressure is applied to the mass in the cylinder, the formed suppositories are ejected. The end plate is returned and process is repeated until all the suppositories are prepared. From the complete study, it can be summarized that suppositories are pharmaceutical dosage form. Suppositories can be prepared by fusion method, cold compression, and hand rolling method. After the complete study, different questions may be arises, such as what are the different type of bases which are used in the preparation of suppositories? Enlist different methods of preparation of suppositories. These are some references which can be referred for further advanced study about the suppositories. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Please refer given email ID and contact number for any query. Thank you very much.